Well, greenways are a big part of Huntsville's economy, tourism, and health and wellness community.
And currently, the city is working to expand them and is holding meetings to promote the new projects and get some feedback. Alexa Harley attended the info session earlier today. So, Alexa, set the stage here. What can you tell us?
Well, I will set the stage, Greg. So the city of Huntsville and the Land Trust of North Alabama are planning a massive 44 miles of greenway expansion over the next 5 years, and you can have input on the new plan. Monday night, an info session was held at the Johnson Legacy Center promoting the upcoming updates to Huntsville's greenways. The sessions were hands-on, where residents had the opportunity to ask questions and share their ideas and concerns about the new plans. City of Huntsville Manager of Urban and Long Range Planning, Dennis Madsen, says they want your feedback.
They're really focused on kind of an open house format. We're not going to do big presentations. We're not going to talk at people. What we want them to do is come in, kind of let us know what greenways they like, where they like to hang out, what they like about them, and then look at the map that we have built out for the next 5 years and beyond and say, yeah, we really would love to see more focus on this area, or we think this is a priority.
Attendees could place stickers on a map of Huntsville highlighting which areas deserved higher priority. Madsen says residents' feedback could have an effect on the plans.
It's really based on what we've done over the last 5 years and the previous public outreach, and we may tweak it depending on what we hear over the next 3 nights. A lot of it we also have to go through a filter of what's realistic. There's certain parts where there are some connections that we know are really important to people, but there's, say, some road construction that has to go on there that we're going to have to work through, and that may not happen in the next 5 years. But it still gives us an idea of what's important to the general public, especially the people who care a lot about greenways and use greenways a lot.
Huntsville is currently home to 73 miles of greenways. So how will these new miles impact the future?
But I think there's some greenway projects to the north and greenway projects to the west, and there's a few small projects east as well that we can kind of focus on. So what we'd love to do is just see already kind of rapid greenway development go even faster.
All are welcome at these meetings, and the next one is Tuesday night at the South Huntsville Library starting at 5:30 p.m.